Okay, coming down and straight over here is the laundry. They've actually positioned in the middle of the home. So let's have a look at it. Okay, good size laundry. Okay, so you've got insert trough cupboard, plenty of room for a really, really good size washing machine. Okay, walls for more furnishings if you wish. Over this side, storage. Okay, that's good. Let's have a look. Plenty of storage. There's 4 shelves there. See, that's being efficient in a small space. And then, of course, you've got the slider to go out to the side of the house for the clotheslines. I actually quite like the size of this. Very functional, practical, and a good location. Okay, so we've just come from the laundry, walking down the passage. Good sized passage. Okay, so we're going into the bathroom that services the minor bedrooms. Let's have a look. Okay, this is the bathroom that services the minor bedrooms. Good sized mirror, vanity, stone cabinet. Okay, now we got to the shower. Look at this. Look at this corner sliding. So this design gives you clever access to a hard space to furnish toilet, shower and vanity in the area. That works well. See, plenty of room. I can get into here. Okay, works. Window here to bring that natural light in. It's a good space. Works well. Toilet, good size, good function. Okay, so we're back into the home now. So you've got the minor bedrooms come through. They're good sized rooms. A lot that we've done here, okay. So they've raised the window up high. So you've got another wall for furnish options. I like this too. Come and have a look. They've done a recess here, pushed that wall out. So again, opportunity for using that space for study nook. Over here, good size built-in robe. Have a look. Plenty. It's actually good size. Very nice. Okay, so this is the other minor bedroom. Good size. As you can see, you can have good sized bedrooms on these small designs for small lots. Doing clever stuff like, yes, raise the windows, gives you options for furnishings, built-in robes, and they're not small, they're huge. Very nice.